So hi guys, today I have a gaming controller which you can buy around under 2000 rupees. So this is a controller from EvoFox One S. This is compatible with I think PS4, PS3, PC and Android, yes, as you can see, and switches also iPhone, Android, iPad. So let's unbox this and see what do we get, and after that we will make a review for it. If you guys want it, you can just tell me if you want review for this. Though let's open this up. Okay, so here we get some stickers, instruction manual, I think, some cards, yeah, a dongle to connect it with I think PC. Let me get it out. Okay, we have a type C cable, so I think it has a type C charging, a USB extension cable also, and this is the control. Wow, it is a really good quality. These are some customizable buttons. With PS4 it does not have the trackpad here, so you can only work with this. I don't think I need that in PS4. And this is analog, a good grip. I will make a review for it if you guys want. So for now this is it. If you guys need it, you can just tell me that you want a review for it, so I'll make it. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. Bye.